Mount your camera on a tripod using portrait mode. After that, walk in. Look at what I did. Then you use your hand. Do as if you slam something, an imaginary thing, you understand? After that, then you use your hand to do as if you are picking an imaginary human being, like you just see me do. Then you hold it for some time. Then you throw it. You throw it. Then you walk away. You walk away. Then you come in for the second time. Come in for the second time. At this point now, then after some time, raise your hand. You do as if something, as if you are falling. You understand? You can be doing your own, whatever you want to be doing, as if wave is carrying you. You are about to fall. Look at what I am doing. Then after that, walk out for the third time. Then you come back. At this point, you make a jump. Look at what I did. Just make a jump. Then after that, you walk out. Save the video to your gallery and head over to Capcut. Capcut, new project. Import the video you just recorded. Then adjust the video. This place where you're working, where you're about raising your hand, click on the video. Click on the video and make a split. Delete this first part. We don't need it again. Then you adjust to the point where you're about going out. Adjust to the point where you're about going out. Look at me. Look at what I am doing. At this point where you're about moving out, click on the video. Make a split. Then you adjust again. You adjust till the point you walk in. Look at you here. At this point, before you raise your hand, click on the video again and make a split. Delete the center part. We don't need it again. Then you keep adjusting again. You keep adjusting. At the point where you're about leaving this place, click on the video. Click on the video and make a split. This place where you're about going out, click on the video, make a split. Then you keep moving. This place where you jump up. Before you land, as you are still on the air, click on the video, make a split again. Make a split. Delete this center part. We don't need it again. Then you come back now. You have to come back. Click on this center one. Click on the middle one. Go and look for overlay. Look for overlay. Guys, look for overlay. Yes. Click on overlay. Click on overlay. Click on this one and drag it. Drag it. Drag it to the beginning of the video. Yes, at this point. Yes, look at it. Align it well. Then click on the second layer. Go and look for remove BG. Click on the second layer now. Look for remove BG. Go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG. Click on auto removal. Then allow it to remove completely. Allow it to remove completely. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube we recommend it to other subscribers out there. And if this is your first time of coming across our channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. And if you have found this video valuable and important, please give us thumbs up, okay? Click on your notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever we drop new updates. Welcome. Yeah, let us continue. So at this point, allow it to remove completely. You can see it has removed completely. Mark on this good and go back. Thank you. So at this point, adjust the video. Adjust the video. Adjust the video. At the point where you raise your hand, where you are about slamming the this place. Click on the video now. Click on the video. This place where you are about slamming the other subject. Click on the video. Then go and click on keyframe. So you click on keyframe, you adjust the video. Then at this point, use your two fingers to crop out the video. Use your two fingers to crop out the video and make this other character small. Like this. Yes, drag it down. Then you move the video now. You are going to move the video. Adjust the video to the front. Adjust the video, guys. Adjust the video. Hope you're understanding me. So at this point where you're about bringing your hand, you will have to split the video. The purpose of splitting it is so that by the time your hand will come, so that you'll be able to adjust the character to fit your hand. If you don't do that, the key will keep adding. So, but when you split it, you can be able to adjust this character to fit your hand. After adjusting it again, before you go and click on that keyframe again for the second time, this time, look at what I am doing. Follow the steps I'm showing you here, and you will not make any mistake. So after adjusting the character to fit your hand, your finger now, because you are about lifting the character, then you click on keyframe, adjust the video. As you adjust the video, you'll be using your finger to adjust the character to fit your hand. Please come down here and do your own. As you are adjusting the video and adjusting the character, the key will be adding automatically. Look at what I am doing. Come down here to do your own. Just come down here, guys. Don't rush here. This is where you need to come down and do your own so that it will look very, very neat and perfect. When you get to this point now, you will see that the character itself is longer than the size of your two hands. What are you going to be doing here now? Still use your finger to crumple that other character. Crumple him to be more smaller, to look more smaller, so that it will match your two hands, and adjust it up to match the same finger. Then you still adjust the video. You can see that your hand went too down. You can still crumple the character again. Crumple the character again so that it will fit that your hand. So by the time, at the point of dropping the character, at the point of dropping the character now, so that it will rhyme, everything will rhyme. Just come down here to do your own so that it will look professional. You can see now I am done. Look at it. Another place where you need to be careful is at the point of dropping the character. At the point of dropping the character, you can see what I am doing. You will take time here. You can play with this place. Play with this place. At the point of dropping the character, you play with this place so that you will get the exact thing you want. Okay? Don't rush. Just calm down. Play with your own. Play with your own so that you will get the perfect thing you want. At the point of adjusting it, if you see that you have gotten the right thing, look at what I am doing. Look at what I am doing. I am adjusting my own so that it will look professional. Take time to adjust your own so that it will look professional. At the end of adjusting it now, look at it. Calm down, guys, and watch what I am doing so that you will not make mistake. Okay? After adjusting it now, you can see. Let me throw it so that you will see how it look. I will throw it now so that you see how it look. At this point, you can now drag it down. Drag it down. Drag it down. Drag it down now. Drag it down. At the point of dragging it down, before it lands, before it gets down, click on this very place. You will come and click on this place and trim it. Click on the up one and trim it. Not cutting now. Trim it to align. After aligning, let us play it and see how it look. Let's play it. Let's play it and see how it look. Good. This is it. You can see. Look at it. Look at it. Play it again. Play it again. Let's see what we have got. Good. It is good. So at this point, what we shall be doing now is to click on the video. Click on the video. Click on overlay. Click on overlay. Import the same video again. Import it to the workspace. Then look for that place after slamming where you are about going out. This place now where you are about walking away. You want to be splitting the video again. Click on the video, make a split, delete this part, delete the first part. Then come, move front a bit, this place where you are going out, click on the video and make a split again. Make a split, delete this last part. Then click this one and hold and go front to go and align it to that last part. Come to this very place, to this very point. Keep coming. Keep adjusting to this very point now. After you get to this place, what you want to be doing now is click on the video, guys. Click on this second layer. This one you just bring. Go and look for remove BG. Look for remove BG. Click on remove BG. Click on remove BG. Click on it. Auto remover. Allow it to remove completely. Don't rush. Allow it to remove completely. It has removed completely. Mark on that good and go back. Okay, look at the result we have got now. So at this point, click on the up one and make a split. The up layer. Click on the up video, make a split. Delete the last part. You can see. So come and click on this one and trim it to rhyme. Trim it to rhyme with the up one. You can see the result we have gotten. Let us play it and see what we have got, guys. Play the video. Let's see what we have got. As you are playing the video and seeing what we have got, if there is any mistake, just click on the down layer and make the necessary adjustment. After that, after your adjustment and everything, what is remaining here now is to export this video. That is what is remaining. Click on export and you export your video. At this point, you can now share it to your social media handles. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Okay, if this is your first time of coming across our channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Okay, and don't forget to click on your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our updates.